Hello, this is Danny from Fun-Keys, and today I'm going to tell you something about the guitar. The guitar has 6 strings. The first string is the thinner one, this one, down here. The thicker one is the string number 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each string is a note. The first one is E. The second is B. Then we got G. Then D, A, and finish with E again. And you'll think, oh, this is so hard to remember. But no, let me tell you a trick. Each boy gets dinner at 8. Each boy gets dinner at 8. If you want to learn more about the guitar, join our online lessons. Follow the link in the description. Bye bye.